Odiati na kwa chiro makuru agacentrire hamazina Mbabazi Charity shahane ibirezo mwebazi yo kande biro ni 19 hebyo kwa mukaga 2026 inja kwisiyaho hebija mutugwa makuru kandi kundagarse inja kwisiyaho amakuru agacentrire ombwijire
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Omugacentrire kireki kiro bishata 5 z'ebyenyanja bitakine no mutindo zayo kibwo muri Kasese. Nibenda kunyibira itaka emyaka 91 nayo tombitira government ya Nyakashako mu Ruhwejo. Okushabiro mbirgo wabireho mukozi wa TV West Angela Kabagambe yasimwa habwo kuba mu Kristo mulungi omuri Mbarara.
Emito y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho. Refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Mbabazi Charity agana makuru agacentrire ombwijire kiro bishatu 50 z'ebyenyanja bitohe bya Nile Perch byayotubwa bwanyuma yo kushanga ababijubire bakabijuba bitiro bito kandi kitari kwikirizwa mu mateka gebyo bujubi ebi bikakwatirwa hari checkpoint ya Kikorongo aharugutorwa Kasese kuzampondwe omugombore ya Lekatwe home district ya Kasese.
Lieutenant Moses Atuyambe kurugwa mu kitongore cya 15 Marines Battalion eyibembiremo omurimo gwo kuranisa okujuba obonyanja buto anyanja na mnongo mu district ya Kasese nagirango bakwasire motor registration number UAX bini 19 kashar L ekika cya Pasio ebirimo abashija babere no mukazi omwe abantu babiri barugwa mu district ya Masaka barukuza akatare k'ebyenyanja akampondo obine bonyanja buto.
Kani gushesha nafuna information y'emotoka UX 616 special stroke X checkpoint yanje ya Kikorongo ekeyegwire ekeine 350 kgs oweza imachua Nile Perch
ogu no yasha abantu bona okwatanisa nabo okuranisa enjuba mbi naba rukushobora ebyenyanja bito.
So nanishaba abanya-Uganda abantu ba Kasese okukwatanisa nitwe twiyahemvu bambi twiyaho gutimba bubi.
Pade Muhindo orukujinanzwa abyubujubi omugomborora ejyare Katwe nagirango buri muntu barakwata no kongerwa kuferwa sente ze kana amateka gamukoreho.
It is important that these traders get to know that the rules for trading in the Nile Perch, it is 20 inches and above. Anything below that, that is immature. Now for this case, the inches was 4 to 9 inches, and that one contravenes the law. Automatically, we have no option. The law has to take its course.
Abakwasirwe nibagirango bakumirwa polisi ya Katwe division omuri Kasese district. Gasha kwa Gilbert Mahangus aba TV West.
ow'emyaka 81 y'obukuru omu district ya Bweja ariyo narondera igura obutembero bucubuzire obwarikuharangatana n'abebembezi ba Nyakashaka Town Council abari kugira ngu nibenda kutwara itaka ry'ekifuba kombeka mu project y'amezi batamuhire nigana kandi kwayanjire batandika kumutenseriza omunyamakuru witu aine birukukira
Jadrest bashanga orukurugo mu cyaro cya Kibarya omuwodi ya Nyakitoko Nyakashaka Town Council mu district ya Buhweju nibagwerirwa kagwe bwa nyuma y'abembezi ba district ya Buhweju ababire bembiri umuhezi wa RDC chairman w'entebe ya Kashatu na Town Clerk hamwe n'abandi okwija bakagira ngo itaka ryerutwarwa busha bombeko hamizi kandi obwe myaka yenyuma bakabanza bamuletera government varuwa bicereza no kumukita miliyoni 50 aho bakozere n'endagano
amezi bagashangamo kare twasitama twaramuza nabashaba miliyoni 100 bangira ngo watshabe sente nyingi ntimwana mumpazinga munkatu garke tudekora bakama bitu bekibara tugambire ntijagarka tugambire nabendi aho baga komando gakaye bajangu barebera ombazi warikubarire ebyitaka ebya abo kubarira omwanya ogwe ya barira miliyoni 50
tubashanga tugira ngo mu itaka rye akaba napanyisamo abakora bed z'amajani abatawunukanso kubizire kutaho project y'amizi za bed 5 z'amajani zo nabashenya kandi baragana sango mukire kace nibija kushashura mukama weka rero abenwe yashashura babire binoho za bed z'amajani
kandi kibazo mu hakara mu za bed z'amajani bakashenya bakamabazo batorana bambanja bakamaja ngo bari impasente ndabahereza sente zabo batorana bambanja leti nyenko sikabara bashija bandi yo maraka
aba bakakora n'endagano kandi yitwayishomeraho ero kugira ngo no project egera acerererwe ninge taragumizeme rukora hine sente zibarashashura mukikuru rero akashashura bakamabaza bed z'amajana wiyabire na pangisamu
kimanya kandi kakore cyandiko cyo kugira ngo barampe kindu kwenda tabara kindu igenderwa cyo kugira ngo bahakore ushati kimanya
kakore cyandiko cyandiko kikanze gamba
kikanze jangu kubarishanga mu amizi barampe kindu kwenda asitame ambasabe kindu kwenda barakinda
Robesena bwana barebera abantu bayirunda babone ko yabona kwijo kaza abantu bayirunda nabonaga nagambira no bangambira kubi bunye kwikota sombi tubyabo byagazumye kasi nyondi wanka pin government kandi bari mu cyoga cyane atubanda kunkiza amani mwashwa kutungira hakabi nyiro nticyamani ndiye cyaro cyane nabo baza kwijo mu cyaro mbamba amanyisa
bwanyuma y'abaka mu government okushara mu kutwara itaka y'umukikuru kifuba utira no kumutinseriza nangwa no kurukumisa abasorokare aba bagacire bamubinga ngo atakaro bataho
baze bagamba nanye kumva ndiyo mbareba ushuma mpakaho umupurikize bagamba bagira ngo itaka wamba kwatwara rushango n'ikishara bityo
kandi utine kope kandi bindebaho stamp ya
bageze kugenda umbangandara ajya tahitake umwareba mutarire kuyita tungati ngo mumanye
anyway
atuma mutarire kuyire ntokureta abasirikare tubombekera haheju agambize mzagatimba kifuba
twatungo kumanyisa ubwangu bamwe mu bakozi ba government bakaba nibendangwa ha sente zibarakito mu kikuru nekaye nabo babaganeho kandi hari miliyoni 50 bakagira ngo mu kikuru nekaye nibija kumuhereza miliyoni 40 rero miliyoni 10 nabo bazerenze hamumero
itwa mu kashi tuineho miliyoni 25 nanye namugaraka muntu miliyoni 25 kurigiro kumwashangira itaka ryo mukade okurya bene rukozesa bwane byabebe mu byona miliyoni 25 kaninche bwenshi mudakuru kumura kubasa kongera nkuka government yagaraka yanje atumwe shikuzakuba 20 nanye mugaraka mujyanti miliyoni 20 na 50 ezo mubarizo wa government yabarire ndabantu abo mwashitamana mbasa kwikirizana n'umukika kintu ekikubasa kugasira abantu
twagambaho na chairman w'entebe ya Kashatu habwa Nyakashaka orukujunanwa Amos Muhwezi kandi enshongezi yazigamba hati
offer around for free as others did so kugira ngo ukakwatira kachuba turagire ruchuba timipakanga kanje tweka haba polisi n'abasirikare ike ka politician zinka RC Srinka nyete ntizayo tugamba nawe kugira shika na accept na terezita ka batkorra neza
manero C5 deo yagira ati numaya kumbe munumangu tumuko abantu sente ahabwe cyumuresere uwo kubaririra amataka gabantu bajangwa itwa ba ministry ntubarira kandi iyo Nyakashaka tabona kanso etworeke emyanya ito tugikorra ki amizi ebintu bagera ki babisimuraho tubarese na kopeza ukwa abayo bagiziriki babarira amataka gabo
ati chairman inendagano y'umasayiningere 2021 muri kugira ngo igendagano ibya 2 minuti byishuka ningambi kwizisi
igendagano ya 2021 Nagacha tubona ubuntu kote hatubona
kandi utine kote kandi ni ndeba ho stamp yawe
Now jangu right now wantera hatubungu wantera I don't have a copy of jangu and the same
uwo muhezi wa RDC wa district ya Buheju Godfrey Tumwebaze na urukujunanwa yatugira ngo project gitaramo bya compensation kandi kutwamubuza handagano yibakozere no mukikuru yagira ngo itari kujumanya
the project the project ya Ministry of Water can pay the compensation namely if there was compensation Obgom kiko simekona afuna compensation because there is no way we can withhold it. Konka project teine wanchena dene cha kabiri no kugira ngo ya negotiations zizabiriho negotiate nawe na family yona kureba ngo itakeje ryaba acquired atari mukasente
mbire pressure mbire shukari dine sente zo karaguza abashamba mbambe sente zabo babibine mbedi z'amajyani ni shabo biyambe nani mbashabo biyambe ari Museveni na wanyambe
chairman yagaraka tugira ngo ibyo bahangwa ha district kubizireho bagira ngo mukikuruta ine itaka ngo abo kubitaka ru kugamba ho ryo mshara konka twashanga barano mukikura amataka gabo barugakoresa bati narukubatera ha mukono gasha kwa Michael twacire
Webere Michael atwacire enkuyaje y'abantu yahika kushabira mugenzi Angela Kabagambe Hakizimana ahakerezia hiyanya mtango mu Rembo Rwambara omukitambo cha misa cyabemberwa Vicar General witware lyambarara Archdiocese Reverend Father Severinus Ndugwa yashaba abantu okutosha okuguma beteguire
Okushabira mu biro go mugenzi Angela Kabagambe Hakizimana okwaba hari Nyamitanga Cathedral kwa ibemberwa Vicar General witware lyambara Reverend Father Severinus Ndugwa owa musima bo ku mukristo murungi
basiro businje nabaho businje bwanje otafahadhi byitweka hanyukiruza yekeresiya yawe ahwa rukundo yawe cyo businje n'obumwe yomerero kategeka obusinje n'obusinje
okushabira mu biro gwa Angela kwahikwa abantu nyamwingi okuruga Kampala nambarara otireho n'abakozi b'ekitongole cya Vision Group aho yakorire
agarisha buzore by'umuruga bashikire n'abarkwera kandi umutima gwe akundire kumamwe n'abarkwera ruhanga mucero rubanja n'imbabazi okufa kwa Yesu kumucungure asasirwamo abanje agebye agarukane na ruhanga tatitwe ahekirwa amabeke go muri samurungi ature hamwe n'umugabe we ebiro n'ebiro atohebwe kushemererwa ko butwire hamwe n'abashirire
mu butumwa bwe Vicar General ya musima bo kora imirimo ya ruhanga
Angela abari umukristo utakaje utabandikira iki mwimanisa aha myaka y'imito yabari umuntu urukunde diniye urukwehaya bwe diniye kandi ukareba kuko ubuzima n'umukristo n'ubuyagenda n'imyaka mito abiri umukristo kubura mbandi abakwamirizwa obutwatayisa abakristo b'abatura Kampala ubwo mu itware omukitu kweta Amda Caravan aha ambuga nkuru y'itware anjero bakutamani mingi kandi murana ashuma natemba kuno na Kampala twatansize hamwe tutebekanisa abo mukoro bugwabiriho kawera abantu bingi.
Abaziri ba Angela Kabagambe bagamba mwana wabo nkumwana ubira munywani wa bingi obire nakunda kushaba muzire Bikira Maria kandi abira ari cyo kureberaho kirunja abana bandi
yashoma kurungi Angela kabata kahereze kushoma kurungi yatunga umurimo aha TV West nagumani mubuza konka Angela iyo no tungo to murimo ko takahereze kushoma niwo murimo gutungirota akangaruka mu kigambo kimwe yangira ati mani ate byanje nibikorwa ruhanga
Angela ubwo atazabaye n'amagara marungi mwana wanjye yasumaje atine kikumbuza abuza cyona kunkumu kusoma kukona akasoma kwa somzire Bikira Maria umwana gwa kantangaza umyaka ye mukaga abajyatsi tukateze usanga black and white by then usanga ari akazuka Bikira Maria.
Angela kazarwa umwaka gwa 1992 aferira hamyaka 3 nayo bukuru bitu bajuri Sakizimana yagira ngo Angela kabatwira atine burwire bwona
kwija twantu kukora imyaka 10 umushera kandi twantu bingi byo gukora batinya plans nyingi cyonka ruhanga niko yasharaho cyari wanjye nani mukunda mnonga nawe yanakunda kandi nimpamya okubagamba omuvangiri erizoba omuntu akutura mu ruhanga takufa.
Angela Kabagamba kakoraho na TV West mu 2016 arokora program y'emikoro hamwe n'embaga na Neandi ya Musimanta obwa hati abire nakora hari Uganda Catholic Television omur Kampala yasiga abana bashatu kandi aija kuzikwa nyencyakaro rwa mukaga omu district ya Kisoro gasha kwa Susan Charsima.
Mjez Angela kama mhumze ombusinje reka tumiro tugarukana makuru hagarukurata agarukurataho okurwanisa obworo nibura ry'ebyo kurya omu kampu ya Chakatu empunju nizihinga ebituzo kwebisaho muri Kyegegwa
zi ahabyo bwegese nibikushyikibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute
Your hands. Kwatirina Ibora mumanyangweje n'endwara erukuteganisa abantu abetiranire hamwe hato nkabazire gezaho nabengaro gezaho tamboye nakasanitizer kandi mucendeze ahambere zo kutayira ishomero hato nkomweji obu wamutuhereza yoterezo bunano zibobwo kweta hagire cyabaho bwo wijo mwishomera abo kwenda kwerinda tuyine obwire nkobwa education day tuyine obwire bwa visiting day ngono takashanga obwire bw'inyono ogeza kutayira ishomero umutaka hendero turetiro obwire mwishomero
ene bagambiro ko nabo mungaro bajya ngo bakusanitizinge bajya bakuteko temperature gun ninga twakuteko garete detectant chibani cyenda utorubeze abazire ntubasima bo kuturetera abana ntubasima na ubuhabuzi bwo no mukongera kwa buri shomero
ubuhabuzi ahabyo bwegese bw'abantu bukikibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute. At Kitagata Farm Institute, we offer practical hands-on training in modern agriculture.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Manager, ogito wagito. Kwa kama tumuchidara, kama takajiremu. MC takiziri. DJ achumna na wearing ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara cake tukaza kunyumba.
Na wampenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushecherera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Skylight Hotel eresora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ayibarukereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex sumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi ecenyanja muchemo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kande cyo kunywa nikigenderaho.
Hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beinunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36 33.
Ebyo kwemeka byongera koroba kankwanjurire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byo kwembekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ibindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamanga Lore Tiles, Portuguese Tiles na flat top agemigongo rero bakwinira amatafari ga buri muringo nka Fire Bricks, Max Pans, Interlocking Bricks, otebwe Partitioning Blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent, Torino, Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii, Malta, Double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri Mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakwesa technology rispiria eco nabyombecyese cyangane kabendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 Mbarara Kabale Road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke
nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi Roseful nikangara konko byamashemera nogwa mutindo Roseful isi yokushemera kwanje
okoraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje omugongo takubyamaje no imukora kushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa Roseful rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
ndahati nyenchakare nebire byombisho Roseful isi yokushemera kwanje
Roseful esi ebiroto birungi.
Give your child the opportunity to build a brighter future by enrolling at Ankole Western University, a Christian-founded institution located in Shema District on Kabohe Hill. Ankole Western University provides a conducive learning environment with modern facilities and highly qualified professional lecturers dedicated to equipping students with the knowledge, skills, and values needed to succeed in today's competitive world. Programs offered: degree and diploma programs in agriculture, information technology, accountancy, business administration, public administration, education, and theology. Postgraduate diploma programs are also available. August intake 2026 registration is in progress. Ankole Western University offers a 50% scholarship to eligible students. Tuition fees after scholarship: degree programs, Ugandan shillings 650,000 only. Diploma programs, Ugandan shillings 450,000 only. Apply today. Download application forms from www.au.ac.ug. Ankole Western University, light of the world.
Umukoro kutaliko kofi kombucha bareno umukoro kwawe nabagambi mbaganga tiriko kofi kombucha nga tuli Buganda kombucha abantu baja kujja na mugamba omuwara nga Buganda kombucha gana abantu kujja kumbaga aba Buganda kombucha muleta wano kofi kombucha na Buganda kombucha mbaga bagituziriride bagambe kumbaga tukuli bantu Buganda kofi kombucha
Buganda kombucha kati wasinjiru kumiroka ne Buganda coffee na yali kulukumiroka. Buganda kombucha.
Kurukayo mukahumuro bwanyuma y'ebitongore mpabwezi okwemereza okwempunji ebyo kuryotireho no kucendereza sente twakuretere empunji zashaziremo okuhinga ebituzi kubasa kutunga kasente hamwe n'ebyo kurya abantu bagira ngo enteekateeka egi ebahwerire cyangwa munonga.
Enyuma ho empunji bakaba baziha ebyokurya hamwe na sente ezireguriye emitwaro 3 konka ebibikizo byacendezebwa kandi hati bamwe bari kutunga sente nibabaho umutwaro 11 buri kwezi. Abo enshonga egi ekitongore kyatandikirweho empunji ekya Hodari kikatandika ihoro yo kutendeka empunji ziri kurenga 200 okuhinga ebituzi.
Obutuzi buno tuyambire munonga ekyo kubanza butuyambire kufuna ebyokurya. Hati saza na tucyaburabura n'emboga nituba tuzine hihi ogendo yihaho kakiro okateka tekatekera abana. Ekindi kituyambire okufuna akasente okuba hano mu kampu kufuna akasente n'ikizibu tubone tufune za UNHCR za World Food Program shonga tusaza no tuziriho.
Arafije abatana project ngazino mu butufu mbera sinunji abasinga abana ba dropinze out batu bachana sente abalala kale enje olabanga kulya kwa tabu balya bubi bebalwala bebuza kutandikirewa kale bali bubi kyesolo gamba bali bubi nnyo era nnyo.
Ababine na laboratory yokukorera membewoze bituzi
twayembekana bategira binyo yonkeri kunia side zo witu niyo kusapurayinga abahinzi bitu n'abahinzi abakinga ebye bituzi muri cyako embibo bona nibagiha hati ne tuyambo kugira ngo batibaza Kampala kugura embibo atejema kuko kugireba wacu kwata kubi tekwenda so nora kuji transport ya kuruga Kampala kuikanika yabire contaminated so kabagiya bakutara misini hahari kandi bihamu okusharuraji
ebintu by'abantu bari kureba nka kasasiro abantu byo barukoresa kuhinga bituzi
nituhingisa ebisigarizo ebyebihingwa nitukozesa ebisubye byebitoki tukozesa ebisubye mwanyi tukozesa ebyepamba tukozesa ebyebihimba kandi kurango birya nabyo tutwabinago twimba tutwayeza ebisu twabikozesa.
Ebituzo cyo kubanza ndebite kweta gumanya gutari muhango umanya muke n'ikindi cya kabiri ubutuzo bumera buri zoba nebe income generating activities ya buri zoba zono nofuna zono notasa
okwerinda okujunda ababine na dryer ninga shayi bari kubyomeseza dero bakakoramo ebintu nkesano wayini kawa hamwe n'ebindi bingi okongeraho umutindo.
So tuiza kongera kubereka tweta value addition obebintu tukibo mituzi twatumaze kwandika ibituzi bitu twiza twihamu ibyo bakweta dry mushroom tukora package n'ibyo tukoko kugireba biza twihame sane byo kureba biza twata tuzibi tutongeramo eka waho umwani tukora tweta kamashi umukofi okusinga munonga tubihamye kizite cyo bakweta wine
ebituzi nibabihinga mu nju kandi akatare kabyo karuho obwekiro barakugiguza umutwaro gumwe
ntwetagisa kweta abariyo kohona abakwenda kwega ko kwinga ebituzi eji programu ntwegesa abantu okora embibo tubegesa ko kwinga ebituzi tubegesa okusharura twongera tubegesa ko kora ebintu nka kofi ubunga tubegesa kora munka porridge kugira ngo nimwe mwayetungura
gasha kwa Philip Murangira muri Cegegwa
webare Philip Murangira nko muringo gumwe ho gutekateka bebembezi obo barukutandikira aha musinjo muto abazira ba Aliana Junior Primary School bashabwaho konjera okwatansanisha mero kombeka omweji orukuza kutambira ihanga lya Nyensya
abebembezi kurwo mukanso yambarara naheru yaho abanyabutegeki ba Purida abazire abana bamwe ariya babayika mukoro gokurahiza abeji basya ba Aliana Junior School aho murembo rwambarara okutandika kwebembera batahi babo kandi bakosa umukorogo okwisya abazire n'abatura bambarara naheru yaho akarunji akari omukushongora omweji okuba omwebembezi omurunji.
So parents, your hearts should be settled. These children are going to sit their PRE from here. That one I can assure you. We rarely get complaints about them. Only to find good things within them. So please, can you kindly clap for such people?
To have just been sworn in, that please aim at becoming better leaders. Always embrace the school mission and vision.
Uphold the rules and values of Aliana Junior School. We shall work hand in hand with the administration, teachers, parents and fellow learners to promote discipline, academic excellence,
abanyadina babaro okiso mukorogo ekitenisa abebembezi obebembiremo ba Purida nubabembera mu mukoro gokarahiza abebembezi abasya.
Solomon needs swear that I will faithfully serve my school.
Parents of incoming prefects, guide them here and there. You're going to do this leadership is very.
Abeji ba Aliana Junior abarahizwa basha bazire babo obutabanagera.
We are also preparing future leaders of God. We are ensuring that we build confidence among these learners.
Omukoro gwakorwa Elizoba ayishomerere na gamwe amashoma amasya agaresirwe ahansi yankora ya new curriculum ko muringo gumwe go kwegisa omweji cyashimwe kuba nakora abwa hati kijeshi muhwere Nyensya. Awa TV West ndi Senyamo Gideon.
Pade Kisembo okwatire NRM bendera asinjira karuko kugarukamo okutora na chairman wa district ya Kikube.
ahashaisha toneda chikana nemwe orokurre byobororo omu district ya Kikube. Emmanuel Twine aranjirire Pade Kisembo owa NRM nko musinguzi wa Karuru ko kugaruka mu kutora na chairman wa district eji bwanyuma yo kusinga Fenekans Timanyire owe kigombe cha NUP. Kisembo atunjira obururu emitwara 26 kandi Timanyire atunjira obururu kanana rushanje 12.
Accordingly, as a returning officer for Kikube electoral district in accordance with section 147 of the Local Government Act 138, I declare Kisembo Pade, who has obtained the largest number of votes, to be elected candidate for Kikube electoral district.
Akarura kakatirwa bante mitware 35 295 aha bateza bakaruru emitwari 14 enkumina rwenda 99 ekinte kitashemize chairman w'akakiiko k'ebyobururu omuramuzi Simon Byabakama hamwe na Dr. Rosemary Nsubuga Seninde orukurre byokurondera obushagi ekigombe kya NRM.
The unfortunate deed was the low water turnout, and we made attempts to establish what the problem was. I gathered reasons from the police stations. I visited. Those are not reasons we discussed here.
Bino ebibadde bitwawulayawula nga famire tusaba bisigale emabega waffe tusobole okugenda mu maaso kubanga kikube kati yeetaaga kugenda mu maaso yeetaaga nkulaakulana olwejja mu maaso okufuna omukulembeze mbasaba ebyo ebibadde bitwerumyalumya tubiteeke emabega waffe tusobole okugenda mu maaso
nga nze awangudde akalulu omuna kibiina ekya NRM njagala kwebaza nnyo Katonda gyatujje mu kalulu kano okwebaza ekibiina kyange ekya NRM olw'obuwagizi obw'amaanyi ennyo ne ttiimu yange n'abantu bonna ab'ekikuube. Akaseera kano nsaba tubeere tukolera awamu.
Ekigombe kya NRM kikaheereza Padre Kisembo ebendera y'ekigombe ahashaha yaha muheru bwanyuma y'owaabira kwatira ekigombe bendera Philip Mbabazi orumukuru wa Peter Banura kuremwa kureeta ebikwetaagisibwa aha kakiiko k'ebyobururu.
Era tugenda tandikirawo okuweereza abantu baffe nga tugoberera manifesto y'owekitiibwa waffe President ne NRM ng'ekibiina.
Kisembo nazo mbijere bya Banura waferiiro muri butandu ahanguto ahabiro bina byokwezi kwa kana oko mwaka ogu gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Ekatumireho ntugaruka naganda makuru.
Fellow Ugandans, your parish development model SACCO belongs to you. Across the country, new elections for PDM SACCO boards are taking place to ensure transparency, accountability, and proper management of community funds. Did you know every eligible member of the parish above 18 years of age has the right to participate in choosing trustworthy leaders for their SACCO? The old boards are being replaced to strengthen governance, protect public resources, and improve service delivery to beneficiaries. After the elections, SACCOs will conduct statutory audits, hold annual general meetings, and account to members on how PDM funds are being utilized. This is your opportunity to shape the future of your community. Please go and register with your SACCO. Do not stay behind. Participate in the elections. Demand accountability. Support transparency. Together, we can build stronger PDM SACCOs and transform households into the money economy. For more information, contact your parish chief, district commercial officer, or local government leaders. This message is brought to you by the Government of Uganda through the Ministry of Local Government and the PDM Secretariat.
Tandika izuba emirimo urugendo ninga kahumuro neco kunywa cha chituzi yenywere chituzi ohure matwenje aha mumiro nichikurwa kurugo mu chituzi cha shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo echi nichikurwa ba chituzi farm company limited aveine teknolojia nebyoma byo mutindo chituzi drink echirizibwa chitongore cyo mutindo muihanga echa UNBS kandi neshangwa mu maduka na supermarket zono muihanga kushubura tera simu noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twina bitana shatunemwe ninga noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twitano 001
Omare kuno kagomba ogutebeka nisibwe ba Swift Initiatives Limited omuchayi kache kambarara ufutandika niburu 26 ebyo kwezi kwa mukaga okwisebura bitano ebyo kwezi kwa mushanju omwakogo aha main gate ne 12 zonka no kuleba nyamishwa ne 12 zonka abana b'amashomero aha main gate eshiringira 10 kandi kuleba nyamishwa na zone 10 zonka mungena b'amakorera amahango hamwe n'amace abaza banks telecom companies za companies zikora byo kunywa abahinja abatunyi n'abarisa abari kuri ry'emikono abari kushubura emyenda enkaito abamabara amahoteli n'abari kosa za mucomo amashomero n'amatendekero mwena nimwetwa nije murebe nyamishwa engamiya embarasi uruziramire ubunyankogote maya ugonya nenjeya babuniga abana mwarya face painting swimming pool y'abana bouncing castles rero sakasinse y'umurembe egari yo mweka y'abana uri kwenda kubukinga akasimu noti mushanju 2 anana mukaga kinana mukaga.
I'm called Awidi Isabella. I'm studying from Villa Maria School of Nursing. I've won a school fees with the MTN Momo. This school fees you win for a full year, which I'm very happy for it. I thank MTN Momo for helping me in paying my school fees.
We've paid all the fees for the year.
Thank you very much, because on Wednesday, the principal told me, look for my man and bring my man. I told her, I don't have money now. You have to wait until I get the money. But when I left our office, at 3, they called me that you've won the money from Momo. I said, how does it happen?
As long as you pay school fees using Momo, you stand a chance to win school fees for a year. Dial *165 *80# to win school fees for a year and more.
This July, get ready for stories that will make your heart race. From love and passion to secrets and lies that can ruin everything. Catch the sizzling episodes of Sins and Roses at 4 p.m, Domenica Monteiro at 5 p.m, Be My Sunshine at 6 p.m, and Avenida Brazil at 7 p.m, Central African Time. Only on Novelas Plus, channel 134 on GoTV.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire Joshua. Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Uganda akankokireka kufutambura okamanyagano tukegita hamwe omukurwana sendi yambi jada mar nutrition ya Guitar Olympic Day toke run 2026 orwiru koru raba ebiro byo kwezi 20 kwa mukaga 2026 omuchaye cyabushenyi asiyo mto kugira ngo tambura oyeje kandi omanye bya nutrition care yete ndya nungi kiryabwawe kwiruka kilometero 5 ikome ningaberne bwanyuma y'igita yanga ryona abwo kwiruka bwendya nunje ekiti cy'exercise byonka buri kigere cyo kwiruka ni cyera abanya-Uganda biriki abakere bato abaryembete bekatso rugendo rwabo orwo kuzomudaka 2026 okweta bo mu rwirugoro shashore mutware 3 necweka yonka bakwereze running kit yani sari olympictokerun.com Olympic Toke Run eshagikirwa ba Toke the presidential initiative on banana industrial development jete PPD ekwata nisena Uganda Olympic Committee yirukabwe ndya nungi oyirukabwo kunda Uganda kumanye bikutira utere message ningo za WhatsApp note 782 note 932 ninga note 775 ananyitano note emwe 25 omwirukanje mukuru naza kubari his excellency yowereka kutamuseveni president wiyanga yitu elya Uganda kandi tugaherize kurahira no musiyasya nkauka China nkaburo
Kuruka yemka humro eminyete hijiro kozesa emikutu yakanyabwenje kutungura emyoga eyo yakubasa kubahindra echo mugashombero byanyesi n'ibindi bugambirwa aba Australian Hope International ababire ndibavuganaho aba Christian Victory Ministry mu district ya Kamwenge.
Eminyeto kushabwa kukozesa je emikutu yaza kanyabwenge kwetungura bigambirwa hari cyabyoma Nasarand Primary School obwaba Australia Hope International babire nbabwabgana aba Christian Victory Ministries nekigenderwa cyo kutungura obuhereza no kwera bakateyamba.
Hope means helping others possess empowerment. In other words, we're not in Uganda to build our own kingdom. We are here to empower organisations like Christian Victory Ministries with the purpose of helping children, particularly children in poverty, refugee children, so that they can be educated in a loving, caring, godly environment.
Obuyambi bwatugulira esente z'okushashura abashomesa zaabwe niho tutemeire emihanda kugira ngu tureebane n'abo bari kwebasa abajungu nk'abo butwaleetaho erizooba babaase kutukwatira aha baana konka nabo tibaine sente wareeba ebizimbe ebi noreeba ngu tibiri by'abagaiga konka niyo ntandikwa nituteekateeka ngu mu myaka 5 mu maisho tuza kuba turi ha bizimbe nk'ebi.
Abatura b'ekyanga eki nibagira ngu embeera z'obuheereza nizigyendesa amaguru make kandi ngo kuhika aha by'obwegyese ebintu ngo bigumira kimwe ahabwa kuba abaana nibagyenda engyendo ningwa otiireho kubura ebikwato nk'ebitabo.
Abana bato munonga.
And also those young kids that come from 3 miles away from the school. We are asking this before you if you're able to do it. You can also support us with a school van to enable this.
Problem of water.
And
yet we know water is life and health. We are lacking a playground for physical exercise.
Okurigirra har Pastor Bill wa Australia Hope International obwa hatan benda konjera mani ombyo bwegese ebyentahasya hamwe nebindi bitabatura bahigirwa kufayo na munonga habana babo aha miringo y'ibaro kukozesamo za kanyabwenje.
In the Western world, technology has come so far and children no longer sit at a table with their family to have a meal. They are in the bedroom watching movies, and they're not good movies, all of them. Many are bad morally. They help destroy marriage, love of God, church attendance, right? So it's a big influence, and as a result those young people, they leave the church. In Africa, the internet and media is going to be available to almost everyone, probably within 5 years.
They don't use pesticides for food, it's fresh and fresh. And I can tell you it is. So I tell you that if you are going to grow coffee, we will help you to grow it.
Bamwe ombarukuza kuganyirwa ombuherezo obu harimwe empunji efuzi hamwe n'abaana barukutura n'abazira batarukwebasa gasha kwa Anthony Twine omuri Kamwenge.
Webali Anthony Twine bakuru b'entebe zo kubanza neza kabiri ku rugomero Fort Portal North Division bagira ngo uhengu tombi n'amezi n'ebimwe habintu hebiri kubabaraza batabyamere omyanya yibarukwebembera abo kugamba ebi no babiri bari mu rukiko rutebekansigwe kure enshonga zabo no kuzitungira ombaze.
Urukiko rw'abachairman b'entebe zo kubanza hamwe n'ab'entebe za kabiri urutebekansigwe meya wa North Division Joseph Mashuhuko n'akakiko ke okwenda ngo bakawurikiriza enshonga za abachairman aba kandi bakataho no mubazi gwazo.
Ati entekanize nenyikiranize ati tukozi twena kabebembezi bona basite kugira kimihelo C1 yitwena niyo tutwali umurabona umuntu wo na Yesu yora ugamana atandika kubaza bitahiki ubwo mumanyira ngo hati yo yaba munyanzwa wa uwempa kwa nabo kwita tukiraniza kwazi yakalemu
zimwe hanshonge zikirize yo kugambwaho nenguto mbese ryo mu division egi ezabembeze barakugira ngo nezibaraza batabyami
ba engineer abakwita kore ngudo
nibaita mbalima mkula banagamu kalifati nibalekao tubakuzugombekera tubakuleta maramu babasikire yuko za maramu baliri
hakasasira hano mbebalemere kugia nekiteka mirembo lyo muntu obarugamba ogureda ngunya mugiro rwiro oyizire kusemeza abantu kubabiza kimweke ekya kabiri nimwiza nimukoreke barikweta bush clearing no kwata guredo ya obunyansi buno ikurora bamora bamungora gude rukozero accountability ogambira omuntu ngonkozero gudo teka $1,500,000 bush clearing gureda netwara lita 10 kora 4 kilometers nkabikoraho that is noted.
Joseph Mashuhuko orumeya wa Fort Portal North Division nagirango n'ubucirabe kiringo government ekabongeza akasente ko kore nguto ibura ry'ebyoma byo kukoresa kikiryekizo bucyamani
nyenda kusima Kabarole district ebine tukwata kutwebyomi but sentence tukutunga same season nabo nabana basitunga seki kumanyisa nabo nabalipiza nabakole ngudo zabo hata tuwane ya grade mwe tukwata wakihaye tuti nabangwa naito bwirwa tukwata mu kigari wate ma gudo twakoze betukiwa katwali twine budget konta nananka bamaga gende karubata twata kama kutamaram bamaga suppose kujaye ngwa hata mu kigari Kabarole
Endijo nshonga twirene bategana san n'abakuru butagarizo sente zine kubana zikora emirimo haza division ezi ekibaru kugira ngo nikiteganise enkora y'emirimo
ekiragiro nikigamba sente zanyo z'omusoro ezimukusoroza site nesemera etwala 50 kandi 50 gasigale mu division 50 gakole ebintu bino gakole engudo galeta amaizi galeta amasanyarazi ensi esemerero baitu mbera twizire mu office 50% ebere nije kereriyo.
Reverend Chintuwire Muhanga orumeya wa Fort Portal nagirango ishonge zigambirwa nibija kugezaho kuzitereza gasha kwa Jonathan Singwire
abashija n'abakazi muri shemana baciragwa intaro hezyo makagabo aho abinji abana babo bariyo n'ababingombe banja ebugambirwe ebitongore birukwereza abaturo buhereza bw'ibyamataka ubabire nibashomesa ubabire nibabashomesa okuba kucenda ahamishango y'obutabanguko bw'umaka n'endijo.
Omushomo gw'ebyamateka gutebekanisiibwa ba The Legal Dream Team Initiative abakwatanise n'ebindi bitongore bikuhereza abaturo obuhwezi bw'ebyamateka nk'aba Speak Up Legal Support Initiative aba Foundation for Human Rights Initiative hamwe n'abandi.
Omurushema abantu bingi nibakwatira amateka omungaro obundi nibakwata nk'omushuma w'omwani bakwata nk'omushuma w'ebitoki bahikana batera obwabisho bakaruga kuteraho omuntu kandi nakyo nikimwe aha bintu ebyatufosingire kugira ngo turete amateka kandi tushomese abantu omu mwanya ogwo.
Aba bakwatanise na polisi ya Shema okutwara omushomo gw'ebyamateka muri Ndebo Ward omu division ya Kagango Shema Municipality ahabo kugira ngo omwanya ogurimo obuhenzi bw'amateka bwingi nk'uko omuchondoza wa polisi ya Shema rukugamba
kwiba omwani hati nibwo guhangire okunywa enjayi kuresa enjayi amirungi za kuba n'abaana okunyangaraza abazaire babo mbwenu obutabanguko omu maka obwisireho obutabanguko omu maka ebyo nibyo bikizire kutuganzya aha polisi yitu ya Shema.
Ogwa muntu batera batekaho bita complainant aza polisi bakora byona bacizana n'imisango nebagire na polisi file rya polisi konka batina timisiriza ba complainant mwaze na hakubeki umusango kuhera umuntu tumuziko wakubenaza kutugasoro miso tumuzika chweraho complainant okimugambira umusango nguwarengaho nuza kureba.
Omushomo ogu nimututungire no kumanyangwa abana omushicweke kino babinga bazire abaho mu bibanja kandi abashija bamwe nibarara batabyami ahabwa abakazi babo kubatunduza.
Omukazi yagende ebye yabitwara na nyina atware byanje kunkataho
aho naguma nacumitiriza mbwe nari unateganisa ubumuka ngo bunda kargamu ari bwamba nanda kotoka nayenda gukora cyati kumanya kumwaka basa ubumugwero kandi tukatana ibintu bye yabitwara ataho tine tinkumanya kuzagarukira nanda garukira umusaidi y'abana nanda garukira umusaidi yanje tinkumanya ataho ogwo mukazi nwarampereje unahura
bwe mubanga mwayakanira mu koti kati oyafuse ki trespasser ogwo musango gufuse gwaki gwa polisi ali mu ku trespassinga kusalimba mu Luganda bakita kusalimba simanyo kinta mu Lunyankole nenga ali mukola ki kusalimba era eyo domestic violence nga bwe twagambye police esobola omuziyiza obanga oyagadde emisango ya domestic violence osobola ogenda direct ku police oba osobola ogenda wa mu court nga toyiseewa ku police
emishango inakakwate no kugira muhonda n'amataka ni nyinjo mu cweke eki kandi aba bashomesibwe kubashemerire gukora buragwa otiro no kwikera abanyaberagero bakatungo kwerwa batagiriye kutwara amateko mu ngaro ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya
webere Aidan Bataringaya rikatomero ntugaruka na makuru agabiye mzana
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Tyson! Mwiroko mugende mwirukanze nko kweri ya mugirete. Kase tuyiroko mukagwatagana nuko akajiba kwata. Robert! Baza kudutwara ugiteka yo munanko. Yesu! Biji. Kana ni mwe yo kubaga. Hati MTN resaraka zanone baketa ko kuko liko. Kugira ngo buri nkoko kwe kuzugo mu kasese. Hagati ya saye mwe na saye ibiri. Ukagura voice bundles asimu yawe. Then yo MTN ne kwereza menatsi ezabu sezine zo koze sizo waryona
gurende chika rwagati ya shahe mwe na shahe ibiri zakasheshe rero tungende chikisha tuzabusha ezo kuteraba MTN izo baryona nyiga star emwe not star ibiri emwe hash rero tungende chika zawe zabusha buri izoba MTN twena hamwe okurizana kwitu tukuruho kizibera MTN.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Omakuru agibemsano timu ya Mbarara City yarayetegurire kuritana na timu ya Rwampara kuritana hamwe omuzano ogwa group ya kashato gwempaka za Nkole Cup kandi ogurukwijja kuzanwa nyencha kare ahacaye kaceka.
Timu ejo ya Mbarara City yageraho kutendeka kwayo kwa hamheru erikwetekatekera kuritana na Rwampara omuzano gwayo gwa kashato gwa group C ahabwe mpaka za Nkole Cup kandi okutendekwa kwaba hacaye kaceka. Timu ejo mizano ebiri egwire mu makazi na timu ya Kashari ogwahwire bushahabundi kandi oguhererukiro muri kaberebere nabwo bakagwa makazi gore mu handijo. Omutendeki wa timu Swaibu Kawesa hamwe n'abazani omukutende koko bayoreka ko hamurundogu hatariho gukora nshobiyona kuno batekwa kufutera timu ya Rwampara okutangaza emigisha yo kurabaho okurugwa mu group
training y'abere nkuru namenga era expecting abazana babaroho bagezeho kutraininga bagezeho gukora coordination era nitekateka ngo iyi cyamani cyo kuza kutugitaho gemi cyakare so ni kamya abahagizi bize mu wingi kuza kumuvira mu kiringo cyakare
twesarize munonga n'abasambona babasa kuba irizoba na training nunungi twamiza abagizi bitu bancyakare twera bizo mu bwingi zakangura umupira bitegansa munza set pieces tureba turuvinga kuzikoraje nchakare turamiza bagizi bitu zakuyininga umupira
Rwampara niye bembire group eje akashatu no bonero mukaga obihiro mizane ebiri bwanyuma yo kwerisa karungu okutera timu yisingiro gori ibraharyemwe nakashari bahererukire kutera gori ibraharzero owayo mukomoro bwiza bwera Mbarwa City na yita kasingirwe ino bonero bibero bwonka obwero kwinganisa na timu yisingiro eyagwa makazi na timu ya kashari bushahabundi kandi yo kashari ina kabonero kamwe omizane eshatu
Muganda makuru g'ebyemizano timu z'amashomerezi ziri mu Ntare School, St Elizabeth Girls School na Mbara Ame Boarding Secondary School nizo zisengwire ebikopo mu mpaka z'emizano y'amashomero aga senior kandi aga Mbara City.
Emizanege ya board games jezanirwa hacayi cyambarara Ame School mu nkambe y'amahe y'amakenke kandi kitabwa amashomero garukurenga 20 Ntare School singire Mbara High School n'ubwo babira haro busho kutwara ikikopo cya volleyball yabojo mu rundo rwo kubanza mu myaka 2 Volleyball yabishiki St Elizabeth Girls Mbara yegarkanise kikope cyo mu rundo rwa mushanje yekuratanise ubwanyuma yo kusinge ya merehiro n'ubwo babira harusha Omuzano go kubaka Mbarara Ame na yesingire kikopo ahwetire ya Nyamitanga Secondary School na Goro 2016 ahuti 8 zembembiro mizanege zirabiro kujwekera Mbarara City mizano ya Ankore yonera kwija kuba mu district y'Ubanda kutandukana birabira nabyo kwezoko kandi umukuru w'ebyemizano muri Mbarara City Captain Richard Okuro ahabwira abazana hamice
So tuzande netball tutandikira gymnasium twatunga group stages nina ya qualifyinga elizaba twazana quarter final twagisinga twasinga Mbara City Secondary School na Goro 35 ahari 5 then twaza semi finals twazana na Nyamitanga Secondary School twagwa draw twaza extra time batsinjira extra time
twabatujwe mu mpaka zemizano imizane ya volleyball naba twaga kasente kazi twaturesere team zishatu volleyball abishiki volleyball abojo na net kandi twakoraje
St Elizabeth Girls kugira ngo tukore ibintu a bit different tumanya ejaran tujugumya so ntoro kushangira mu tumanzi twari kikopo kandi ko kwaje mu defending champions just defending champions kwa since 2019
final echa turimo gukora n'ekita kitaro twashikora cyacuro twashikora ikikope kitwire chine for the past 3 years for the past 2 years atugwa buri mwagwa gashatu
ni yakebere wire batwenwa tsingo mu finals funga hati twaguma twetereza mwe ntacyo twasinga kandi ni mangu hari indije mizano tuwe twetereza kuzibanda wikero gukurataho izo bankeri tukwa twatangiye in fact
abwa TV West nda Aloysius bya mukama na Makri na Mpira
Webana Aloysius bya mukama na Makri akwenko twabasa kwendera amakuru agacencere haganoje agategereza nyenshakari wanakusiya amakuru aga n'abantu babaza Charity nda kwendeza kurara kuronje na weekend kubereye ihorere utarga ha TV West.